up, everybody? It's Nick Destroyer. This is the same day because I'm eating still. But I have my friend of mine again.
Hi, everybody.
My cousin and Spider.
I'm Madeline. Nick's second cousin.
Yes. If you haven't seen Spider, check that out. She was in it too. So, anyways, I have a few questions for you. How do you feel being on YouTube? Being probably watched by 1 million people.
Kind of scared.
There's nothing to be scared about because I've made a ton of videos. But anyways, how do you feel about doing videos with a YouTuber?
Kind of like happy.
Happy? Yeah, you realize that you're showed to the world now. Like, everybody will know you. And this is another second
my
cousin.
brother.
And you are on YouTube being watched by 1 million people. How do you feel about that?
Good.
You feel good?
Yes.
Okay, we got a nervous and a good. That's pretty good. Subscribe button, notification bell, and like button. So anyway, go get dolphin.
Okay.
We have a dolphin that will be joining us.
Hi, guys. This is Dolphin. Dolphin.
So anyways, guys, I hope this video really inspires you guys. So see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.
We're having fireworks.